Hello guys, and welcome to a new game. It's called Twisted Paintball. It's made by Taymaster, same person who made Twisted Murder. I couldn't remember the name for a second. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing a series of gun reviews. So far these are the only guns that I have. Starter, Blue Sunrise, Creamsicle Camo, and Tweety. So, and there's gonna be a new code released tomorrow for a gun, so yeah. So let's get into the video. This is the starter gun. Stats are pretty basic, 2 stars for everything. Damage, fire rate, ammo, and range. The default boring starter gun. See? You have to be able to click really fast to do it. Let's test it out. Okay, first kill with it. That's not too bad, but he was, no offense to Mac, whatever the hell is. I was paying attention there, but whatever the hell his name was, he's a noob. No offense. But yeah. So, God. It all depends on your skills of the game. That's a great factor in it too. Epic Dingo, God. That's sort of an original name. It's sort of an original name, but alright. Headshot. Whoa. Oh. 2 HP left. Alright, I have to hide to regen. So, yeah, this is a starter gun. It's not the worst. I will say it's not the worst. And I may sound kind of sad, but I'm not. Oh, crap. Epic Dingo has a force field. Nope. Oh, what? Oh, I tagged Epic Dingo, and I got the assist for Random Brandon. 06. Oh, yeah. Oh, I got dead. But, yeah. And I will also be doing a video on the perks of the game. Tank, yeah, you can get the gist if you play the game, but masks, outfits, and then you can buy credits in VIP, which I don't have. I don't have VIP, so I'm an F2P scrub on this game, but not on Roblox completely. I have the people following me. I will win! For America! Oh crap, he has a force field. See, I don't like how Tay added that. A force, and you're probably like, adding what? I don't like how he added the force field. So, it gets kind of annoying after a while. I mean, it is a great way to prevent campers, but still. I mean, even I don't like it, and if I'm being camped. What? Oh! No! Thought he could win. Punk thought he could win. Oh, Scheisenhauer. Oh, that stab. And usually I'm gonna do a gun review for a round. And unless it's elimination, then elimination can go pretty much suck it, but yeah. Every round's about 10 minutes long. Capture the flag is 10 minutes long, and there is no capture the flag limit, so that helps, I guess, but yeah. And the reason why I haven't been making a lot of videos lately, I'm sorry about that guys, is because it's just, I have been doing a lot of stuff in life. Just real life has been catching up. But other than that, I just, yeah. So. Ah, 2 versus 1 by Scrubs. But, I mean, it's not that bad. It's actually quite good, personally. I like this game a lot. It's good. And I think I'll do Tweety next. And if you don't see lots of videos about this coming out, it's either because I don't have the gun, or I have all the guns, which will be very unlikely. But oh wow, that Maximus. Ay. But yeah. Funny. Let's keep going. We have about 3.5 minutes left. Why is Epic... Oh, he's gonna camp. But, yeah, I'll do Tweety next. Just because I can release the code for Tweety. And there will be a new code gun tomorrow, in tomorrow's update, which it will be good. Oh, what? No. New. Oh yeah, F is to stab, like this. I'll release a tutorial on how to... It's now, I mean, it adds a more realistic feel to it, but I just don't like the paintballs on the screen. It adds a more realistic feel to it, but no. Arte should make it at least where if you get headshotted, that should happen, not just or crit, not just if you get hit in the body, because that's kind of stupid. Epic Dingo is dead. Oh yeah, and I will be doing reviews on the perks soon. Once I can get perks. Ugh! Oh, so close to them dead. But, yeah. I don't know what to talk about in this next round. Alright, H201 Dom is dead. Trying to camp, eh? Ha! Tiblio 2. Ha. But anyways. A minute and a half left. So, yeah. And I'm level 23 currently. It took me quite a few days and quite a few hours to get the creamsicle camo, which I'll do in a review later. Actually, I'll tell the price in the other review later. So, Historic Myth is dead. Got a minute left. Let's make this minute count. Oh yeah. I'll release the full info on all the controls. I got 2 kills just by stabbing. Alright, heal. I mean, the only bad part about it is its clip size. Yet, most clip sizes are bad in this game, so I shouldn't complain. Ugh, I hate runners. I mean, that is a little hypocritical. I do kind of run. But, Yeah, so, I mean, I hate runners, sort of, so, yeah. That's 2, and then... Oh, this is... Oh, hang on. And if this is like TF2 in a way, where if one team, say my team won, so the other team would have their hands in the air and running, so yeah. And then you all die at the end of the round, no matter what. So yeah, this was fun. I mean, yeah. So I'll see you all in the next video, I guess. Peace.